The busiest time of year for brands, companies, and of course customers is nearly upon us. Countdowns to holidays, gifts for friends, family, and loved ones, and holiday shopping are all in the air. Now's a great time to make sure your customer experience and customer support strategies are all in line to handle seasonal rush. And that's exactly what we'll be talking about here, our 2021 Guide to Customer Support, the Holiday Edition. My name is Divya and I'm from Freshworks Academy. In this first video of our two-part series, we'll discuss ways to streamline your CX operations and holiday-proof your strategies. Let's get started. Identify strengths and weaknesses from previous holiday seasons. Looking at trends from past holiday seasons can help you answer crucial questions. Was your team large enough or trained sufficiently enough to handle demand? What were some of the most commonly asked questions from customers? Were there particular days of the week or times of day that saw an uptick in customer queries? And so on. Answering these questions helps you plan ahead for the upcoming season and ready your team accordingly. And once you have this in line, don't forget to get customer feedback about their holiday experience this year on your website or app so that you can use it to prepare for the next holiday season. Ensure different departments are on the same page. Holiday campaigns are often cross-functional and involve collaboration with multiple departments. The sales team could be running seasonal offers and discounts, the finance team could be working overtime to manage transactions, and the marketing team could be focused on bringing in holiday traffic to the website. With so many moving parts, it's important that all the teams stay connected so that customer support has all the context and information they need to interact effectively with customers during the holiday rush. Train the team to deal with angry or irate customers. Holidays are a stressful time, and tempers can fly high during shopping and transactions. In such scenarios, it's important that the CS team use positive language while keeping the communication solution-based. Empathy can be of great use in these situations. Listen actively, respond to the customer's tone, make them a part of the solution, and take their side if they're right. Make sure you catch our video about empathy to learn more about approaching customer interactions with consideration and thoughtfulness. Employee health and wellness. The holidays are a demanding and challenging time for customer service personnel. As we talked about in our Retail CX Trends video, employee wellness has been brought to the forefront this past year. Prioritize employee health, especially if things heat up during the holiday season. Ensure that agent concerns are addressed well ahead of time, that they have an open space to offer feedback, and automate wherever possible and feasible to save agents time. Review and update canned responses. Canned responses are templates with pre-written answers to common customer queries, say about a returns process or an order update process. Canned responses help agents save time and work efficiently. During the holiday season, add appropriate canned responses for any SLA and holiday policy updates, such as a change in shipping times or return windows. As a standard, have canned responses ready for repeat questions. And finally, holiday-themed greetings for a nice touch to customer interactions. Audit your knowledge base. Identify which customer interactions can be deflected using a knowledge base and move your holiday season-related support articles to the front of your knowledge base. It's well known now that if it's possible, then customers prefer to help themselves wherever they can. The same is true for the holiday season. If your holiday policies are quite different from your usual policies, make sure that this is clear and prominent on your website. This way, your customers can get their general questions answered readily and escalate to an agent or email only if they have more specific queries. With these strategies in place, your arsenal of agents should be well prepared to handle the holiday rush. Have something else to add? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out part 2, boosting your support team for the holidays. Until next time, bye and happy supporting and happy holidays!